All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol TNXP, Tonix Pharmaceuticals Hldg Corp. And before I get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. Share this with your friends and community. And down below in the description, I'm going to post two links to previous videos in regards to the stock market and what's going on with it and the days that the Fed has stated to pump. And I will be posting weekly videos on when those pumps are coming. And I find it very helpful that everyone is able to receive that insight. You may have known already, you may have overlooked it, but I'm sure that you will find those videos worthwhile, very informative and helpful. So don't miss out on watching those videos. And if you're a first time viewer just running into my channel, welcome to my channel and check out those videos. And if you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to, because I will be posting daily videos on such as this stock ticker symbol and others, and weekly videos on when those pumps are coming. And I also want you guys to analyze the chart and everything that I explained so that you could see the behavior of these stocks and the market as a whole on what's going on and what's to come in the next coming weeks. So hope you guys like it. Let's jump into this chart. The first thing is this had a bearish run. It's been rejected since way up here. Obviously, that's the highest point. I had stated that yesterday. It was so vital and important for this stock as a whole to work its way closer to this number, or if it's working its way further from it, that rejection point has happened, and that's the highest point this stock has reached. I'm not saying that this has been completely destroyed, but from this bullish run to here, we're already kind of about half of it has taken a toll. So they're now at the halfway mark. Now, could the bulls bring this back, or are the bears going to continue to destroy this chart? That's something to keep in mind. So obviously support was broken through, resistance was pulled away further away, but the most important thing here is this right here. This moment where it broke through the 50-day moving average, and now the 50-day moving average is here and the stock closing price is here. So we're going to move the resistance level and support level to their new locations, right? Based off of how this stock ended the day. But that is vital right now and so important on what's going to go on for this stock. So let me go ahead. Bear with me one moment as I put these in the right location and aligned. And let's go ahead and see. Zoom in. Right. Here's our new support. And this is our new resistance. Literally, they both touched the resistance. So it got rejected about 2 times at this resistance point. That's very interesting because it tested the resistance and it got rejected from the resistance 2 times. So the bulls are really going to have to come hefty and strong to break through it. So the first thing I want to state is the 50-day moving average. 157. Very vital right now. This is in bearish territories. No matter how you look at it, this stock is in bearish grounds. The bears are winning, and they're going to try to continue to win. So obviously the 50-day moving average is way up there. Closing price was 132 after market at 8 p.m. And this stock has some bullish moves to do before it can even do a turnaround. It has to pass 157. So that's the true resistance level or turnaround point on this stock. But I'd write that down, keep that in mind. But before getting to 157, the bulls are going to have to cross the first resistance level where they got rejected twice, and that's 142. If the bulls are able to break through that, use this as support, they can start to work their way up. And there's another resistance level before the 157 mark, and that's right here at 150. So if you want to kind of break it into smaller parts to pay close attention to how this stock reacts and how it's going to act, 150 is the next resistance level after 142. So once 142 is tested, used as support, and proven itself, this stock will have to work its way up. It'll test new resistance levels, and the next one's 150, and then it's going to be on its way to 157 if it could use 150 as support and it works its way up. On the other side of things, which is what the bears want, this is the lowest point that they brought this stock until obviously the bulls reappeared here. But even though the bulls reappeared here, they still got a long way to go for this to be bullish, right? They only reappeared, they jumped, they got rejected twice, and then here we are falling again. So yeah, that was the lowest point that the bears brought this, and then the bulls reappeared, and that's going to be an important part of this stock as well. 115, that's the support level. If that support level is broken through, I'm not saying that the bears have completely destroyed the chart and the bulls lost full control of this, but 115, if that gets broken and falls into this territory, what the bears have done is they pulled it away further from the 50-day moving average and turning it into much more bearish grounds, showing that they have much more control on this stock. Now, two things can happen. The bears can continue the bearish run and break through more support levels, or the bulls will come in hefty and strong and try to go ahead, even though it broke down here in this area, and bring it back up. But they're going to have to come and get a massive amount of stocks and get hefty and strong to bring this one around. I mean, if you look back on how this whole entire bullish run happened here, which I'm going to circle it here, right? All of this happened because of all of this. Look how much volume here we got going on. Those are some big bar graphs here of bulls, right? And look how fast, and that's something I want you guys to pay close attention to, and I want you guys to see the difference in volume. Look how fast that went down in between 2 days, but look at the volume. I can't circle it because it's so small. Like, it took that much effort for the bulls to bring this up, and look how little effort, so small, of red here and little effort of red here for the bears to tear this apart. So obviously the bulls are going to have to put some effort and come in strong somewhere close to these type of bar graphs, or even just these two right here, and make something happen in the sense of being able to break through at least a resistance level, use it as support, and continue to work their way back up. But they're going to have to come in high volumes. If they come and they just try, small little moments like they did here, right? That these bar graphs are so small, they're barely there. As you can see, look how big the bearish graphs are compared to the bullish ones. And if I go over to the other ones, you'll see how big these are compared to the amount of bulls, right? Look at that. They came in hefty. They came in strong during that time. So that's something to always keep in mind. And even though here these volumes, they seem large and stuff, that's nowhere near how much more the bulls had to try to continue to work their way up. So I'd keep that as always in mind. And you could see how the bulls tried to play this and bring themselves up slightly, and then it just leveled off. So this tug of war is going to be interesting tomorrow. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. And don't forget, down below in the description, the 2 videos that I talk about why the stock market crash is not coming just yet, how we're backed up in the month of July, and also the effect that the Fed has done to the market over time since they started pumping in March. Very interesting stuff. And also the dates of the pumps are there. You can also analyze how the market acted on those days and how some stocks acted so that you guys can get a little bit more of the information on the patterns that are going on and the behavior that's going on in the market. I'm not telling you guys in those videos to buy or sell, but I want to better equip you guys, and I hope that you guys find it helpful and informative. So definitely check out those videos and comment down below anything you would like to piggyback off of what I've stated in this video or even in those other videos on what I stated. So check it out, and thank you guys so much for watching.